Hi, welcome to SAP SD Insider YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the customer material info record in a SAP sales and distribution module. I will explain today uh, customer material info record. Before going to deeper into the class, please subscribe my SAP SD Insider channel and like, share, comment my videos. Okay. Generally, Uh, why customer material info record were using, I will explain to you. Okay, whenever we are creating sales order, uh, we can enter the customer number, okay, and the material number, and then automatically the description will be captured in system in the system by showing the sales order. Okay, but some of the customers call our SAP material and the description with the different numbers and different description. Okay, so we will discuss deeper that one, because I will show you in system as well. Okay, you can see here. First you can go to the next slide. Here the transaction codes for this maintaining uh, customer material info record, simply we can call it as a CMIR. Okay, customer material info record. So for creation of customer material info record, we can use VD51, and for changing CMIR VD52, for display CMIR VD53. Okay, so these are the benefits of maintaining CMIR, customer material info record. I will discuss this later after completion of this class. Okay, so first I will go to SAP. Okay, um, go to SAP. So whenever we are going to create a sales order, suppose, so I am creating sales order here. So creating sales order, we have a T code VA01. Okay, and order type is OR. Okay, this is the standard order. And the sales organization, my sales organization is ZMK1, distribution channel MK, and division is MK. So if you enter here, so here the customer, you need to enter the customer number. So my customer number is 100211. Okay, and here you need to enter the material number. So I have created one material in before class, you can see, right? So that material I am using here. Okay, so if you enter the quantity, okay, so you can see, if you enter like this, so you can see here the description of the material. This is the description of the SAP material. Okay, this is the description of the SAP material. But so some of the customers using them the different numbers and different description from the customer point of view. Actually, uh, this customer wants different description for this material, and different material number for this SAP material. This is the original material number, but the customer need the different number for this for other purpose. Okay, so the customer can request the company not to send output, whether it is sales order, whether it is a delivery, or whether it is a billing. Don't send an actual description of the material. Instead of this actual material, we need our description for our accounting and processing purpose. Suppose this customer requested like that. Okay, so in that case, we can change the material actual description. Instead of that, we can use the customer material info record. Okay, so so the customer having, because customer requested the company, don't send this description and don't send this original material number to in the output. Okay, they requested some other description for this material, same material. Okay, so because we we cannot change the material description for one or two customers, okay, in the SAP. So SAP having lot of materials and a lot of customers, we cannot change for we cannot change the material description and material numbers for 10 or 20 customers, okay. So we have thousands of customers, so we need to have this original numbers and original description as like it is. So if any customer requested some other, there are different material number and different description for the particular material. We need to maintain the customer material info record. So we can achieve that property by maintaining the customer material info record. Okay. So in this case, we are maintaining customer material info record, and then we can have the different material numbers and description for our SAP material in sales order. Okay. So when we are maintaining CMIR, that means customer material info record, the customer material number and material number uh, description automatically copied when we are creating sales order for customers. Okay. So when we are maintaining in the customer material info record, then automatically it will copy the description, the material number, customer material number will be copied here, and the description is also copied here. So we cannot see the original description of the material when we are maintaining customer material info record for particular customer and particular material only. Okay. So if the customer wants a different description for all materials, we need to maintain all materials with the combination of same customers. We need to maintain all customer material info records in the system. Then only we can achieve this property. Okay. uh, so if you maintain the CMIR, we will that will be customer own request only. Okay. We cannot do our own. That is the customer own request will be copied over the sales orders. And we have additional benefits also for this maintaining customer material info records. Okay. So we can see later at the end of this video, I will list out all the benefits of the maintaining customer material info record for the customer and the material, um, yeah, based on the customer and material. Okay. So now I will go to the transaction VD51. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will go to the new screen. Okay. So this is the new screen. This is the symbol for new screen. Okay. Now I will go to VD51. Okay. VD51. So this is our customer 100211, and the sales organization, that is ZMK1, and the distribution channel MK. So if you give enter here, okay, now uh, the screen will be like this, the create customer material info record overview. Okay. Now you can give request the customer number. The customer number is already there here. Now you have to enter the material number here. Okay. Material number, so 2040, and if you give enter here, so it automatically copied the original description. So now what are the description, what is the description requested by the customer, you need to enter here. Suppose I am giving, for example, I am giving, this is the main description is the original description is nothing mobile. Okay. So I have given here nothing for a pro, suppose. So for this material only. Okay. For this customer, and on this material we have given the material. This is not a material, this is not a material, sorry, this is not a description. I will give you another one. Okay. So suppose I'm giving like this, nothing 2040. Suppose I'm giving like this is the number, this is the customer material number, not our SAP original material number. Okay. This is the customer material number. Okay, I'm giving enter. Okay, so I'm save this. Okay, so now customer material info record was saved. So it is not over, it is not completed, but how it is replicated in sales order we can see first. So what we enter first, in the VD51 we have created one customer material info record for the customer 100211 and for the material 2040, and the customer material number who we have given nothing 2040. Okay, so instead of, so already we have here nothing mobile is there, so here we don't have any customer material number, but I have maintained now we are trying to create one sales order. So whether it is we can so system can copy the customer material number or not, we can see now. Okay, so slash n va01, so same thing you can enter here. I am entering the customer number. Okay, customer number, and okay, no problem. Here material number and quantity, any other quantity you can see. Now you can see here, I have entered, while creation of sales order, I have entered customer and the original SAP material number, and here you can see. So before it is not there, but whenever we have maintained the customer material info record, the material number is like this, nothing customer material number. This is the customer material number. So it is copied from CMIR. Okay. So 2040, nothing 2040 is the customer material number. So it is copied from the here. Okay. So some customers need this description also with a different name, suppose. So we need to achieve that by maintaining the customer material info record only. Okay, so I am doing a change only because it is already created, so I am doing with the change. Okay, so it is loading, just a wait. So VD52 also, directly you can go to VD52 also, it will open. Otherwise directly here you can click change, then it is also same. Okay, now please open, just a second. Yeah, here this is the main thing, it is very very important for the customer material info record, is the prime first priority for all the copied over the sales orders. Okay, based on the customer and material numbers, so the description, customer material number, everything is copied from the CMIR. It is the first priority. Okay, so yeah. Yes, now see, it is the change of customer material info record. Okay, so the customer number is 100211 and the sales organization ZMK1, distribution channel MK, and the material is 2040. So execute. Here what I maintained here, the customer material is nothing 2040. So please double click here this line item. Now you can have this screen. So here customer description, you can see customer description. So anything you can maintain, no problem. I am maintaining nothing 4A Pro, nothing 4A Pro, like that I have given. Okay, so if you see here, go to save again, save again. Also just we can go to create sales order again. Okay, now this description will be changed. Okay, so again you have to do the sales order again. Okay, so same you can enter here customer number, here material number, and here quantity, any other quantity 10 or 5, anything you can enter, no problem. Now you can see here when I maintained customer material info record with the customer material and customer um, material description, both are copied from CMIR. Okay, so the original description is not copied here because CMIR is the first priority for anything. So when we are maintaining CMIR, customer material info record, uh, the material, customer material and customer material description is both high priority. So it is checking only CMIR first. The system will check CMIR first when creating the sales order. Understand? So now we can go to CMIR again. So this is the change mode only again. So I have entered it. Please double click here in the line item. Here such term, anything you can enter. Okay, NA. Suppose I have entered here NA. Nothing more than this. So this is this, you know this, right? Such term for searching CMIRs and everything. We can give some short note on this. Then you can easily search. Okay, among all the entries. This is not mandatory here. Okay, now the mandatory field is it is very important, plant. This is shipping means it is a delivering plant. Okay, I will make this video for plant determination and post in my channel. Okay, you can see that and follow also. Okay, why we are using the plant determination while creating sales order? So here we will get the plant. If you maintain the plant here in the customer material info record, then it will get the plant from here only. Okay, it's in the sales order. So you can see here, I will show you in the sales order. So here you can see this is the sales order plant, delivering plant. Okay, this is the item level. We have a plant here. This is the plant. ZMK2 we have now, as of now. So why ZMK2 we have, I will explain also. Okay, whenever we are maintaining the customer material info record delivering plant here, then this plant, what is the plant we have maintained here, this plant will be copied here. Okay, copied here. If this is the first priority, CMIR is the first priority for the plant determination. If we not maintain here, we not maintain here, then it will search for customer material, customer master data. Okay, that is the second priority. If we may not maintain here, then it will go for checking the customer master. Okay, so I will open the customer master. I think I already opened it. Not okay. I will open. Go to another screen, new screen. Otherwise, you can /o xd03 also. That will also work. Okay, /o xd03 transaction code for the customer master. So we already discussed in our videos. Okay, so the customer master 100211 and company code ZNEM, sales organization, distribution channel, division, everything you can give, and give enter, continue. Here in the sales area data, this is the sales area data. You can see here shipping tab. Okay, here delivery plant is there. Okay, so here also I am not maintained anything. Okay, here also I am not maintained also. So first the system will check whenever we are creating sales order. First the system will check the CMIR, customer material info record. After that, if we not maintain customer material info record delivering plan, then it will comes to customer master data and it will check here. Okay, if we not maintained here as well, suppose we are not maintained here also, so now the system will check the material master data. So this is the material master data. If you go to slash n mm03, okay, material master, so 2040, give enter. So this is the one. Now you can go to plant, this is storage location, and sales are ZMK1 and distribution channel MK. Now here this is the material master data. If you go to sales, sales are 1. Here I have maintained ZMK2. Okay, this is the delivering plan for the item. So this is the for this material, this is the delivering plan for this material. So I have maintained here ZMK2. That's why uh, we have ZMK2 here. Understand? So for first it will check CMIR, after that it will check customer master data, and after third priority is material master data. Okay, so when we are creating sales order, the delivering plant will be determined from um, uh, first it will check CMIR, second customer material, customer master data, and third priority is material master data. If we need, we suppose if not maintained in material master data also, if we not maintain material master data also, then we can give manual enter. Okay, we can enter the manually here in the sales order. So that is the priority for plan determination. It is very important. Plan determination class I will show, I will make the video and I will post in our channel. Okay, so now we will go to CMIR again. If you, yes, CMIR again, here customer material info record, you can see. So suppose I am maintaining here ZMK1, suppose ZMK1, I am giving ZMK1. Okay, so save. Suppose now we can go to sales order again and we can create. So now it is a ZMK2. I have given in customer material info record ZMK1. Okay, whenever we are creating sales order, now it should be ZMK1. Okay, slash n VA01. Okay, same, and enter customer number, enter material number. Okay, and quantity, give enter. See, here you can see. So I have maintained customer material info record, delivering plant is ZMK1, then system will automatically copy it from CMIR only. So we have a ZMK1 there. Okay, so this is the first priority. This is the first priority. Okay, so next we can go to CMIR again. Okay, yes, this is the change mode. I am giving change mode only. Okay, here you can see, click, double click on this. Here delivery priority, it is also very important. Delivering priority, why we are using generally allocation level. Okay, can be used based on suppose example, for example, um, per day 500 cars manufactured by one company, suppose. Otherwise we are talking about the mobiles, right? Suppose 500 mobiles are manufactured by the company. There is a 1000 orders we have, suppose 1000 orders the company have. Okay, we can allocate that by based on the delivery priority. You can see we have a high priority, normal priority, and low priority. We can allocate them. Suppose 300 mobiles delivery is high priority. Suppose 150 mobiles priority is normal, and 50 mobiles are low priority. Like that we can give. Okay, This is also very important. Okay, um, this is copied from the this this will be copied from the customer master. Okay, this will be copied from the customer master. So regarding the sales area data, then I will go to the customer master data just a bit. So what we have maintained there, we can see. So this is the customer sales area data. We can see shipping tab, delivery priority. I have not maintained anything here. Okay, if you maintain anything, then it will automatically copied from here. It is automatically copied from customer master to here. Okay, so next, whenever we are maintaining the customer master, then when we maintain the delivery priority in CMIR while creating the sales order, it will pick from the CMIR. That means, so we have maintained, suppose we have maintained the delivering priority in customer master also. Customer master, okay. Suppose if you maintain here, then it will pick from here in the sales order. Okay, whenever we are creating sales order, it will pick from customer master. So if you are not maintained here, then it will first it will check here. Here we not maintain anything, then it will check the customer master. Okay, in the customer master also we are not maintained anything, but I maintained here as a normal, suppose high priority. Okay, I am giving here. Okay, so next, minimum delivery quantity. It is also very important. It is automatically picked from material master data. Okay, it is automatically picking from material master data. You can see here. I will open the material master data for your information. Here you can see. So it is the minimum order quantity, minimum delivery quantity. I have maintained 10 here. Okay, so if it is not maintained, it is not maintained in the CMIR. It is not, if we not maintained here, then it will check the material master data. Whenever we are creating sales order, it will check the material master data. If we maintain here, then it will check here only. The first priority is CMIR only. Okay, next, partial delivery items. Okay, partial, same, we can check it is customer level only, customer master data. So if we maintain here partial material allowed, then system can allow the partial deliveries for the customers and material. Okay, if you maintain here, then it will allow, it will check here first. This is the first priority. And after that, if you are not maintained here, then it will check from customer master data. Okay, and here you can see maximum partial deliveries. How many maximum partial deliveries? If you can give the 10, suppose here 9 I given. So suppose 5 in customer master data. We can go to the customer master data once. Sorry, this is the, yeah, this is the, see, maximum partial deliveries. Here I given 9. Okay, suppose here I given 5, suppose. Okay, then system will automatically consider the CMIR value only. Okay, system will automatically consider the CMIR value. This value only will consider while creating the sales order. Okay, next, under del under delivery tolerance and over delivery tolerance, it is also from the customer master data. If we maintain the values in the customer master data, then if you maintain here, then it will pick from here. Okay, and if not maintain here, then it will check the customer master. Here you can see under delivery tolerance and over delivery tolerance, it is all under the shipping tab only. Okay, so if you maintain values here, it will uh, copy it from here. Otherwise, it check the customer master data. Okay, next, item usage. So why we are using item uses? Actually, we know that the item category determination in Vivo V4, please note it, because we have so many classes: item determination, item assignments, and sales document creation, assignments, everything. We have so many classes we have, and it is the one of the part we need to learn. Okay, Vivo V4, this is the transaction code. We are creating item category determination, we can do there. Okay, so if we create the sales order, system can take 10. Suppose go to sales order, sales order, see, he can see this is the line item. When we are entering the material with this customer, and the item category, so item category will automatically determine tan here. Why it is tan? So we have a item category determination is there for uh, one transaction is there, that is Vivo V4. Okay, I will go to Vivo V4. You can see item category, this is the Vivo V4. Okay, if go to position, so sales document var standard state document, and item category group is norm. The item category group is copied from the material master data. If you go to material master data, here you can see basic data one. Okay, see, this is the material number, and this is the item category general category group. Okay, so norm. So if you go to again this item category group, so sales document type is R, and item category group is norm. Then go to continue. You can see here this line item or item category group, there is a tan is there here, the first priority. Okay, the first priority item category will be determined with the TAN. Okay, so that's why we have a TAN here. That's why we have a TAN here in the sales order. So if we maintain the usage here, suppose I am maintaining usage like this. Suppose this one I will maintain AP01. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one AP01 I will maintain in customer material info record. Okay, this is the material info record I will maintain here. Okay, so directly I think here uh, okay, it will take time because it is a test system, that's why. Wait, it's loading. Now I will maintain the usage AP01, and this item category will be determined different. So what value will come, I will explain just a second. Okay, so now source main item, source AP01. Okay, so I have enter AP01 and I will save the customer material info record again. Okay, so now I'm going to create the sales order. Okay, you can see /nva01 /nva01, same details, and this is the customer number, and this is the material number, this is the quantity. Give enter. Okay, now you can see here the item category TAPA is determined, not tan. Before we have seen it is a tan, now it is a TAPA. So why it is TAPA? Go to item category assignment login again. So you can see this. So what I entered, so the item usage I enter in the customer material info record is AP01. Okay. Now the combination of AP01, the combination of item usage and the sales type, sales order type, and the item category group norm. Okay, sales document type and item category group and the item usage, the combination we have, the item category is TAPA. That's why in the sales order also we have the same uh, TAPA here in the sales order. Okay, just a second, sales order, wait. So in the sales order item category is TAPA. Understand? So this is the major use benefits. These are the major benefits of customer material info record. Okay, these are the major benefits of the customer material info record. So what we will learn up to now. So we need to maintain the customer material info record by when the customer is requested, what are the benefits for this. So we have created the customer own material number and customer own material description, plan determination, plan delivery priority and minimum delivery quantity, partial delivery, minimum partial delivery, under delivery tolerance and over delivery tolerance, and item uses. So CMIR, customer material info record, is the first priority for all these things, and plan determination is very very important on this, and customer own material number and own material description is also very very important. Okay, this is about customer material info record in SAP SD sales and distribution module. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much for your support, and please subscribe my channel and share my videos and learn SAP SD, and you can start your SAP journey easily and you will get the job. Okay, thank you very much for all. Thank you very much.